Hello, this is a recording about the Windows Defender Smart Screen message. You may see this message sometimes when you are on the ci.bleachbit.org website. And the way it works is you click here to download the file, you click Run, see it's running a security scan. Let's give it a minute to do its security scan. Here, it says Windows protected your PC. What you have to do is you have to click More Info and Run Anyway, and this will start the normal installation process. The reason for this is the builds on this website are released very frequently, on some days more than once, so these aren't commonly found on other computer systems that Windows has seen. Also, they're not digitally signed, so it's trying to protect you. I want to contrast that to what you'd see on a final version or a beta version. So this is the 4.0 final version. When you run this, you're going to get a different message. It shows up during the privilege escalation after choosing all users. It doesn't happen for just me, it happens for all users. So this shield here shows you that it's going to require privilege escalation. Now it says there's a verified publisher. This is a different kind of security message, and it's important to note that it's a verified publisher and it has my name. This means that the file wasn't altered and it's safe to use, no matter where you got it from, although it's still best to get it from the source at bleachbit.org. Thanks for watching this video. If you have a question, post it in the comments.